welcome to day 4 of the Uke reading challenge. Give this video a thumbs up before we get started. Grab a drink, a snack, grab your ukulele, make sure it's tuned, and let's do this. Okay, so we're looking at the song and we see a lot of quarter notes. Nice, right? We have A, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, G. Wait a second. We know our B's are flat because we're looking at the key signature that has a flat symbol. So we have, again from the beginning, A, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, G. And we have a new note, that's F. Look up. First fret of E string. First fret. Now I know what some of you are going to do, and I'm looking at you, Mandy, and a few others. You're going to memorize the song or know what it's supposed to sound like and do it without reading. Stop. I would like for you to read as you're doing this. Force yourself to look at your notes, okay? This does take some self-control, but you've got it. You're here playing ukulele. You can't do that if you don't have self-discipline. So you can do it. All right, so we're looking at the third bar. We've got F, G, A. Now let's look at this mystery bar. We have a quarter note with a dot next to it. All right, so that dot, here's some musical math again. The dot adds half of a note's value. Okay, so let's go to a whole note that has 4 beats. Let's say I add a little dot next to it. Well, it's 4 plus half of the note's value. So 4 plus 2, 6. So that would give us a 6 beat note. Let's do it with a half note. A half note with a dot, well, half of 2 is 1. So that would give us 2 plus 1. So that would be a 3 length note. Now with a quarter note, it's tricky because the quarter note is 1. So what's half of 1? Half. So how do we count 1 1/2? You can do it by saying 1 and 2, because that's 3 halves, right? Or when you're tapping your foot, it can be 1 and 2. And when you get to the height of 2, make sure you're switching notes. So how does it sound in practice? It sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. That's how that bar sounds. Again, 1 and 2 and 3, rest. Because we have a rest on beat 4. Let me play that first line. And then we'll do it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Shh. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. Let's do the first bar, the first 4 notes. 1, 2, first 4 notes, go. Freeze again. 2, ready, go. 2 more times, first bar, go. 1 last time, ready, go. Missed that one, oops. But I'm sure you did it right. Next bar, bar 2, starting on the C note. This is forcing us to read, so this is good. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, second bar. 1, 2, again, go. 1, 2, again, go. And 1 last time, ready, go. Now, I asked for you to use the same ukulele for all of this challenge because I don't want this happening. Look, look, look. I don't want this. Especially on bar 2 where we have to switch strings. It really, really, really matters that you're not looking at your uke the whole time. We want to be reading. Okay, let's go to bar 3, starting on the Fs. 1, 2, bar 3, go. Oh, as I look at my hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, again, go. 1, 2, again, go. One last time, ready, go. 2 and 3 and 4 and last bar. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3. Shh. 1, 2, again, go. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. 1, 2, again, go. 1, 2, last time, go. Okay, try it on your own real quick. Take like 10 seconds to do it on your own. Go ahead, go ahead. Do it now, do it now. And then we'll do it together. Alrighty, here we go. From the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now let's look at the next line. The first bar of the next line is the same as the one on top of it. Next, same, next, same. Only the last bar of this exercise is different. So let's look at that bar. What's our first note? Our first note is G. And then we've got F. But the rhythm is the same, right? 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. So the rhythm is the same on both lines. The only difference is the notes on the last bar. So let's try and read through the second line. 1, 2, 1 and 2, ready, go. Make sure you're reading, not just listening. Reading. Let's try again that second line. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, you got this. Go. All right, let's do both lines together. Now in music, when you've got 2 lines, you just continue reading. Okay, nice thing is that we have a rest at the end of the first line. That gives us time to like move to the next line, but sometimes in music you don't have a rest there, so we always have to kind of look ahead a little bit. Okay, here we go, line 1. We're doing the whole thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, line 1. Go. Rest. Awesome. Okay, so this song we're gonna learn the other half tomorrow, but not tomorrow, in the next video. But the good news is that it's only 4 lines long, what we're doing, and line 3 is the same as one of these. So we've made a lot of groundwork with this one already. Okay, so I have a little challenge for you. I would love for you to go back to day 1 and try and do the exercises from day 1, either watching the video or doing the printable or both, because one of the most encouraging things is to see your own growth. And I know that if you go back to day 1 and day 2 and try to read through what we have there, you're going to see how far you've come. And we're in day 4. We had a bonus day, but we're in day 4 and you've already come so far. So I want to say that I'm really proud of you. I know that you're making progress and that you're pushing yourself. Even if you don't feel it, go back and review and you'll see that you really have. If you'd like a full play along of this, go ahead and check it out on the Patreon website. I'll put it there. It's like a video where all we do is just play right through this. So check it out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!